everybody, welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today we are going to be making a fajita lasagna for Fajita Friday. So what we're going to do, I'm using two different meats, so that's why I have two different pans. We're going to do steak and chicken. So what we're going to do is saute our vegetables. We're going to separate this half and half. You know I like my red onion and my white onion, so we're going to just separate in each pan. That's our red onion. This is our white onion. That looks about even enough. And we'll saute that a little bit. You know what we have in our pan already, don't you? EVOO and some butter. So we'll get that started. And we don't want to cook it down too much because it's going to go in the oven, so we don't have to saute it for a long time. So we're going to saute this for a few minutes, and I'm going to add in some mushrooms. I know mushrooms don't go in fajitas, but we like mushrooms, so it kind of fills up the fajita also. So we have red pepper. We have red pepper, we have a yellow pepper, trying to just make sure we even it out. And then we have an orange pepper. So we'll put a little bit in each pan. We're going to saute our vegetables and then kind of push them to the side because I don't want to use up. Oh, runaway mushroom.
Where'd it go?
Underneath the burner. Underneath the pot, rather. Now, if I wanted to really be washing dishes forever, I would take this out, put it in another pan, do my meat, and then put it back in, but I'm not going to do that. So, we'll serve up our chicken, and we just really want to kind of toss it around for a little bit on one side, and then we'll mix it with the vegetables. We'll turn it up to heat up a little bit because again it's going in the oven, so it'll finish cooking in the oven, but we just want to get it all married together. So I tell you, this smells delicious. All right, so we'll let that cook for a little bit and we'll come back and show you what our next step is. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of our seasoning on our vegetables here. You can use the fajita seasonings, however I just mixed up my own seasoning. Once it's done and we taste it and everything, then I can, if you comment, I can give you Auntie M's recipe and you can make your own. Alright, so that's going to go for a few more minutes and then we should be able to get our assembly going. Okay, so I had to take my vegetables out because the meat wasn't cooking fast enough. So I took them out, put them to the side, and then when the meat was done, I added them back in. So now we're using an oven-ready lasagna. So the first thing we're going to do is add some of our sauce. And again, this is my concoction, so I'll give you the recipe once we try our lasagna to see if it's okay. So we'll put 2 ladles in each jar, each pan. We're gonna mix that around. I don't know what layer should go first.
You're asking me?
Yeah. Steak or chicken?
First layer is gonna be on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So I'll do the steak.
We're gonna take some of our put it at the bottom of the pan. make sure we get some meat in there. This is our first layer. It's steak and our vegetables. I like cheese, so I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese on this layer, just a little bit. And then I'm gonna add our oven-ready pasta. So put it, layer it like this. Put our pasta in. I think we're gonna have to overlap in order to get it. And then this one, I have to break it. And then I just put the pieces anywhere. Okay, and so then our next layer, which this is actually lasagna mix. This is what goes in the middle. This is ricotta, cheese, salt and pepper, 1 egg, and some cheese. So we'll put a very thin layer on because we want to try to get 2 layers of this. And this cheese is mozzarella, Fiesta blend, and the Velveeta cheddar shredded cheese. Okay. And then we're gonna layer another layer and put our chicken in. Okay, so we've done our steak layer, and then we did our ricotta layer. Now we're gonna do a chicken layer, and then hopefully we can have enough ricotta to kind of spread it out, but this is going to be good. I think I did more chicken than steak, but that's okay.
Chicken breast is big though.
Yeah. I cut them up as much as I can. I'm like a messy cooker. They say a messy cooker is a good cooker. Ooh. Ah. I should have bought 2 ricottas because I like a thick layer in the middle, but so we mixed what was left over, the chicken and beef. So this will be our top layer. Am I supposed to hold my wrist like this, huh?
Supposed to fling it off your elbow like salt back. Although in hindsight, like I wouldn't want something that was off somebody's elbow.
That's true too. Yeah. I didn't see him wash his elbow.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a layer of steak, a layer of ricotta, a layer of chicken, and a layer of ricotta, and then a layer of chicken and steak all together. So my oven has been preheating for a little while. Oh Lord. Wait, I'll be right back. It's really heavy, so I had to put it on a cookie sheet. So she's going in. The oven's on 350, and we're gonna cook for an hour. And after about 35 to 45 minutes, I'm gonna check it and see how it's doing. I'm not so sure of the oven ready noodles because I usually boil mine and do it that long way, but I wanted to do it a quick way. So stay tuned for our fajita lasagna. Okay, let's get our piece out. It's a mighty big piece. Trying to get it out. Get our cheese. Fajita lasagna. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. We're serving it with a strawberry lemonade. We're gonna taste test it for you and let you know. This is my last little bit of our fajita lasagna. And I'm telling you, it was very, very good. Very, 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 very good. With steak on the bottom, and then a layer of ricotta, and then chicken, and then a layer of ricotta, and then some chicken and steak on the top with cheese. I'm telling you, it was good. So comment if you want the recipe. Thank you. So please like, subscribe, and share. Give us a comment. If you want the recipe, give us a comment. And thank you for tuning in to Auntie M's Cooking and Creating. See you next time. Bye-bye. Yummy, yummy in my tummy.